Then come some important properties of electric charge. The first one is that two similar charges repel each other and two opposite charges attract each other. The second important property of electric charge is that the total charge of the universe is zero, or in other words we say that the total charge of the universe is conserved. This property is known as the law of conservation of charge. It means that we cannot create a charge nor we destroy it. If we feel that a particular type of charge has been created at some place, it does not mean that the charge has been created out of nothing. In fact, an equal amount of negative charge is also produced so that the total charge remains still the same, that is zero. The next important property of charge is that it is quantized in nature. The term quantized means that the charge cannot have all the possible values that we can think of, but a particle can acquire a definite discrete value of charge, which is an integral multiple of the charge of electron. We know that the charge of an electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb and is negative. So, any particle can have either negative or positive charge, which is either equal to the charge of one electron or equal to the charge of two electrons or equal to the charge of three electrons, and so on and so forth. This is so because the presence of charge at any place or on any particle is because of the presence or shortage of electrons there. If we have excessive electrons on a particle, then it will have negative charge, and if we have shortage of electrons on a particle, then it will have negative charge. Since electrons can be present or absent in terms of the integral number, so the charge positive or negative can be present as the integral multiple of an electronic charge. Now we come to what is called electrostatics. If we take two or more point charges at rest and study the force of attraction or repulsion between them, then this study is called electrostatics. Before we understand everything about the charge, we will first study Coulomb's law of electrostatics, the basic law of electricity.